She didn't choose the hard road, but she walked it with her head held high. Life threw all kinds of crap at her. Heartbreak that tore her apart, losses that made her feel empty, and setbacks that made her question everything. But she didn't let any of it take her down. She kept going, learning from every struggle, getting stronger with every tear, and turning every doubt into fuel to keep pushing forward. Now she's standing tall, tougher and wiser than ever. The hard road didn't break her. It made her the badass she is today. So when life gets tough, remember, you've got this. Keep your head up, keep moving forward, and know that you're being shaped into someone who can handle anything. If this hits home, drop a 100 in the comments or share it with the person on your mind. And don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.